I told you I've been loving you. I'm not the other time you give me maka chopping ice. Allah.
What are you running?
Allah, come back. Wannan ma ka tafi fa. Ya kuri da Allah. Ya kuri. Ya kuri. That you come and collect your abuna. Oh, Allah. That is domestic violence to a man. Hey, domestic violence ne ba. This is domestic violence to a man da Allah. Eh? Wannan gidan ne. Who tell you say I did for here ma?
We died.
You the ke?
He shock you.
Wallahi go back.
Nothing separates us.
That's domestic violence wallahi. Domestic violence. Eh mana.
She call now. She know the fear face.
Ah?
As you man know the fear face, that's why I carry baby. Bring the chinchu where they want.
Allah na cikin maza ki cikin Allah Hadiza. Hadiza ke ba ki da hankali wallahi. Wayo Allah. Is domestic violence?
We die here. You carry woman. Who you run?
Idan Allah ki zauna.
No sit down.
I beg you dan Allah.
No sit down.
Dan Allah ki hakuri. You are causing disgrace. Mr. Joseph. Ki hakuri da Allah. Sit down.
Why should I sit down?
Because I be your husband.
70 years old man.
You are not my husband now.
So what will they do for here? If I not be your husband,
Man respects himself.
Respecting myself. The time where they buy houses because it becomes local government councillor, you come to buy house.
Money.
It's your money. It's a government money.
I don't understand.
It's a government money. The Allah.
You don't
You are not part of corruption.
part of corruption. You are doing Karwanchi.
It's my prerogative
As what?
as
As my husband to do Karwanchi.
I have the right to divorce you, wallahi. And I have the prerequisite to divorce you, wallahi. Yeah?
I tell you, say we die here.
Me and you will die here.
We do Karaba.
Mutu karaba ko? Okay. Da mu gani ai. Da ke hakuri kawai.
That's why I look for you. Come. We dey here. We know they go anywhere.
Kin gani ko? You see what I dey talking ko?
See the kind neighbor so he dey keep. I'm a born neighbor. Is
Okay.
that right?
So now you kosa mana.
How?
Ke ji mana barin ga miki
How I say
gaskiya.
kosa?
Wallahi it's because that I am guilty fa. That is why you have all the audacity to do all
You
this
better
nonsense.
be guilty. Oh.
Kai da Allah
You better be guilty.
Joseph, that Allah.
See the kind neighbor so he dey keep.
Huh?
You see I'm a born. Stand up and let our own back.
Are the carry women up and down?
Madam, welcome and welcome. This is your husband.
You might dey go your house.
Oh, Mumu, not too much.
Nah, somebody husband fa. You want bitter?
Right now.
You want
They
bitter?
do amebo.
You do am for me
Who
ko?
send that?
I'm like alright, Allah. You know say you know.
How?
You need to
I
like-
never finish the fight where we dey fight here now. I don't correct. How I take correct?
Shikenan. Da Allah ki hakuri ki
Ka
zauna.
gani ko?
Mm.
Ya tafi. Dan faɗan nan kamar ba mu fara.
You still want fight?
Ka ga barin daura
Hmm.
da mara tukuna.
Okay.
Saboda in san ta wani gefe ne za mu fara.
Okay.
So,
What do you want to do
what
now?
was the meaning of what you just did?
What can I do?
So you run from house. When they pack small girls.
I pack small gas. That one na small
Why
gas.
they go insult me for road?
Why you come become problem for inside this compound da Allah?
Why not the problem?
I am the caretaker here kuma sai ki zo kina abin nan.
Ai shine da kyau.
Duk abin da zaki ke gyara da Allah. Da Allah gyara da Allah. Because it be government property, I go beat you, nothing you go
All
happen.
of us are government property.
Hada ni ba gwamnati, ni ba ruwana da gwamnati.
Ah?
Nothing concern me with government.
Government property.
In ba za ki zo na ki magana da ni ba wallahi ki mai da hankali ki. Because
Ba ta zama ta kama ni ba.
what bring you come?
I can't carry you go house.
Me you come carry me?
Yeah.
Wallahi ba ki saba. Za ki sha duka fa.
Ban gane.
You know me fa.
Duka ina.
I go beat him fa.
An taba cije ka da rana.
I go beat him fa.
An taba cije ka.
I go beat him fa.
Aha. Yau ne muka fara. Yana ka dauki jakan nan ka shigar da shi.
Ha. You see what you cost? You see what you cost for me? Even small to tell me.
What do you cost?
So if somebody at the come for
Nobody will come for.
if husband and wife get problem, you no go enter inside house go suburb. Why it go suburb for inside public?
Where the first? Where you sit down with the babe, no be for outside.
Here na public.
Not be juju be that.
Because I be caretaker da Allah.
How small pikin go take no?
Da Allah Hadiza ki
No
hakuri.
dey outside.
Da Allah mu je ciki. Ya hakuri da
How
Allah.
small pikin
Ya kuri ma
No, we
baby.
no go that inside.
Ya kuri ma baby.
We no go that inside.
Allah ki fara kenan fa.
Why we go inside?
My babies.
Wahala go
My
dey.
babies.
I want to go there.
Eh, my babies.
Wait, make we go look for road wey I go even take carry you.
My babies. Kanya, you happy to see me, go?